It was after the death of my thirst. Cut.
It's been a topic. The case of Pierre was the case of Pierre was shortly after the death of my second wife, and well, yes, yes, did have one, and good. Ladies, we all know that in these in the swirling for further information on cut. For further information on this subject, we have my name is Dr. Hubert Schmank. 5 years ago, this bustling country village, but this quarry was doomed to wage its own personal war. It was said that the noises of such an operation caused the creature to wage its own These will kill you. Don't smoke, kids. Cut.